Good morning. Hello, guys. How are you today? Welcome to English 11th grade BTP Computing and Finances. Please remember to wear a mask and wash your hands. It is very important, please. Today we're going to study simple present, and the objective of the class is to talk about real life situations. The simple present is a time of the verb in which we talk about activities done in a daily basis. For example, my friend is Olga. She cooks dinner at 8 o'clock. Mi amiga es Olga. Ella cocina la cena a las 8. I run in the morning. Yo corro en las mañanas. Eliza eats fruit every day. Eliza come frutas todos los días. Okay, so here again, the simple present. Jenny loves going to the beach. Jenny le encanta ir a la playa. Mark listens to the radio. Mark escucha la radio. My friends work in New Jersey. Mis amigos trabajan en New Jersey. So, for simple present, we need a noun, an action verb, and an object or a complement. Okay, this is the verb. Loves, listen, and work. Okay, so now here we're going to complete the sentences. We need a verb here. So I want you to think in one verb to complete the sentence. So, Amanda, in Houston, Texas, what do you think is the verb that goes here? Amanda lives in Houston, Texas. So if you want to say that in Spanish, it would be something like Amanda vive in Houston, Texas. All right, next, what do you think is the correct verb? We, to read books, we like to read books. Nos gusta leer libros. Next, I, to the museum sometimes. I go to the museum sometimes. Next, he, soccer very well. He plays soccer very well. Freddy writes beautiful poems. Okay, so we have the verb live, like, go, play, and write. Así es como formamos el simple present. Si se fijan, jóvenes, quizá ustedes se pregunten, ¿por qué lleva ese? ¿Por qué lleva ese? ¿Por qué lleva ese? Esos tres verbos. Es porque, más adelante lo vamos a ver, pero es porque, les voy a adelantar, es porque cuando hablamos de los pronombres he, she, and it, al verbo le agregamos una S. Ok, Amanda lives, he plays, Freddy writes. Ok, next. We usually add s to the verb when talking about he, she, and it. Lo que les decía. Generalmente añadimos una S al verbo cuando hablamos de he, she, and it. Okay? Here we have the verb play, and we say I play, you play, he plays, okay? She plays, it plays, and then we play, you play, they play. Now with the verb to eat, I eat, you eat, he eats, okay? An S. She eats, and it eats. We eat, you eat, they eat. And here we have the verb to live. I live, you live, he lives, she lives, it lives, we live, you live, they live. Did you understand this? ¿Comprendieron? I know you do. Next. If the verb ends in S, Z, SH, CH, X, and O, we add ES. Okay? Si el verbo termina en estas letras, agregamos es. For example, the verb teach, I teach. Pero si hablamos de ella he, o de él, he or she, we add es. So we say she teaches. I teach, she teaches. I wash, he washes. I go, she goes. All right? Next. I watch, he watches, okay? Cuando hablamos de él, entonces, o de ella, vamos a decir watches. El B. Next. I fix. She fixes. We kiss. He kisses. They finish. She finishes. Next. If the verb ends in consonant plus y, we change y for I plus es. Si el verbo termina en consonante más una y, cambiamos esa y por una i latina y agregamos es. In this cry, we're going to talk about study, cry, and fly. I study. She studies. Okay? We cry. He cries. They fly. She flies. Alright, here we're going to practice. We have some verbs here like drink, go, eat, have, live, watch. Okay, what is the verb that goes here and here? I drink coffee and she drinks tea. ¿Comprendieron? En este caso, si hablamos de I o de they, de we, pues el verbo no cambia nada, ¿verdad? Queda normal. Pero ya en la segunda parte, ya la oración habla de she o de he o de it. Es ahí donde cambiamos el verbo, ¿ok? En este caso le agregamos as, alright? So I drink coffee and she drinks tea. Yo bebo café y ella bebe té. Next. They go to the beach and he goes to the museum. They go to the beach and he goes to the museum. Next. We eat fruit and Emma eats pizza. Alright? Next. I have a bike and Mark has a car. So in Spanish it would be something like yo tengo una bici y Mark tiene un carro. They live in New Jersey and he lives in New York. We watch sports and she watches movies. Alright? ¿Vieron? Que cuando hablamos de he and she, el verbo generalmente lleva as or es. Watches, lives, has, eats, goes, drinks. Here we're going to complete the sentences and we're going to use these verbs that we have here, like write, watch, see, go, cry, and like. Espero que esos verbos se los sepan. Recuerden que lo vimos en ciclo. Obviamente tienen que dominarlos al 100%. Okay, I repeat: write, watch, see, go, cry, and like. So what is the correct verb that we're going to use here in sentence number 1? I need to see a doctor today. Necesito ver un doctor hoy. Next. Emma, what is the verb that goes here? Emma watches horror movies every day. Next. The girl writes poems sometimes. They like going dancing. A ellos les gusta ir a bailar. The baby cries too loud. Tina and Olga, fíjense que en este caso hablamos de dos, o sea, estamos hablando en plural, ¿verdad? Entonces el verbo no va a cambiar. Recuerde que el verbo solo cambia cuando hablamos de he, she, and it. Alright, so Tina and Olga go to the market. Alright, did you understand this? I hope so. So I'm going to send you the homework and I want you to be very responsible and please send me the homework as soon as possible. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.